Manners, manners, don't be rude, be nice. Manners will make your brain think twice. Chew with your mouth closed, don't let your vulva exposed. Cover your mouth and nose when you sneeze. Show your manners around other people, please. Assalamu alaikum everyone, my name is Rutaba Hayat and I am from batch 48. And in today's presentation, my topic is importance of manners. Being adult, we also need manners. So basically, what are manners? Manners are considering the feelings of other people, respect them and treat them the way you want to be treated. If you go anywhere and always show good manners, so it is more likely that you are encouraging other people to show good manners as well. And if you show bad manners, it will clearly put the bad impression on other people and show the bad parenting, the bad schooling and your bad manners. My next slide is showing why manners are important. Manners are very important in daily life. How? There are some questions. How would a person feel if anyone come and talk to your friend but turned his or her back at your face? How would he feel? Or how would a person feel if he is about to sit anywhere and suddenly someone pushed him away from that seat? Or how would you feel if any of us came here for a presentation or for anything else and और हम सब में से ही कोई पॉइंट आउट करे, कोई कमेंट पास करे, तो यहाँ पे खड़ा हुआ शख्स कैसा फील करेगा? फीलिंग्स आर सेम फॉर एवरीबडी. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं और फील करूंगी और आप और. नो. सो दैट्स व्हाई मैनर्स मैटर. मैनर्स कॉस्ट नथिंग. द ब्यूटीफुल गिफ्ट ऑफ सेइंग थैंक यू, प्लीज, मेकिंग आई कॉन्टैक्ट एंड अ क्यूट स्माइल शो how you respect others. My next slide is manners at home. Your parents are your first teacher. So manners begin from your home. How? You should always knock at the door before entering. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपका घर है तो आप मुंह उठा के अंदर चले जाएंगे. No. Contribute in household tasks. चाहे वो लड़के हैं चाहे वो लड़कियां हैं, करें. Moreover, you can appreciate your mother for good meal. Call your elders or youngers as well with good titles. My next slide is manners in professional life. Manners matter everywhere, as I already said. How? From home to school, and after school in our professional life, and after professional life in married life or other future generations. So in professional place, how we can be a well-mannered person? Always be punctual. Don't be late. Adhere yourself according to your company's dress code. Make good relations with your colleagues and clients. Don't use a vulgar tone while communication. And be nice to everybody. Show your positive reputation. My second last slide is manners in friendship. जैसे हर जगह manners मैटर करते हैं, फ्रेंडशिप में भी manners मैटर करते हैं. आपके दोस्त भी रिस्पेक्ट मांगते हैं. How manners matter in friendship? भाई, give undivided attention to your friend. And moreover, reply on time. You can celebrate his or her achievements. These all are the good manners you are showing toward other and showing that how much you love other. There are the two pictures. The first one is showing the bad manners कि कैसे एक बच्ची कितना बुरा फील कर रही है when two person are talking. Either they are talking about themselves, but the girl is thinking maybe they are talking about myself. And the second picture is showing the good manner. And this picture is also a visual presentation of me and my friend Rabia. Whenever we cross road, the blind one is me who can't cross the road, and the smart one is my friend who helped me. This is a good manner as well. And sometimes we both become blind और हमें नहीं समझ आ रही होती, and the people around us help us. And this show the good manner of that people that are showing good manners by helping us. And in conclusion, I have a cute short poem. I would love to say, manners, manners, don't be rude, be nice. Manners will make your brain think twice. Chew with your mouth closed. Don't let your vulva exposed. Cover your mouth and nose when you sneeze. Cover your mouth and nose when you sneeze. Show your manners around other people, please. And here, thank you so much.